everybody. I got this in the mail. I'm going to open it. I'm very anxious to see what's inside. Sent to me by a good friend from California. Oh man. Wrestling Giant Series Demolition AX. Let's see what this looks like. Packaged very well. Holy mackerel. Very nice. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at the size of that thing. Wrestling Giant Series Demolition AX. Look at the back. From Latoonie. Everybody's going to have to want to check out Latoonie.com. Get your Giant Series. And thank you, my friend.